we are here at this apartment building in Omaha. We actually have something really epic here. So we've got a Dover Impulse, but we also have a swing door Dover. Before we ride the swing door, let's ride the regular passenger. It's actually an O'Keefe.
Traction.
Yes, it is. Very fast, too. All right, we'll go to 6. Now let's go check out that swing door.
Mm-hmm. Calm down.
You want a Butterfinger wrapper?
I'd rather have just a Butterfinger. To the swing door.
Yes.
Down or up?
Well, let's watch it come up first, so go ahead and press down. Look at this. And this thing is huge. I wonder if that'll close if the door is open. Let's see. Because there is an interlock here, so let's close the interlock. Yep, and there it goes. So send us down to B.
Here we go.
Six.
Wow, that motor was cool.
It's a lot slower too. I like the you can open it and kick the kickstand down.
Yeah.
All right, now let's go back down to 1. You can even see they have the open area on the top for more stuff.
Yeah, that's neat.
Yep, so you could fit larger objects in there. All right, we'll take a look at the cab. Some more light. What would have been even cooler is if this elevator was gated. That would have been a gated Dover Impulse, but either way, this is still rather interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. And it's also interesting that it doesn't say Dover O'Keefe on it.
But the other one does.
Mm-hmm. All right, well, here we are at 1. It's such an interesting setup. And there it goes. That was cool.